Hi boys and girls, and welcome to this week's craft. More so an activity, a science experiment we're going to do today. Today, we're going to be making a rain cloud. What you will need is a jar or a glass or a clear cup, and it's going to need to be filled with water. Doesn't have to be to the top, but fill it with water. Some shaving cream and some food coloring. Can be whatever color you want. I chose blue because it's kind of the color of water. Okay, so I'll give you a couple seconds to grab those things that you'll need, and while you're doing that, I have a riddle for you guys. But first, before that, I just want to say I hope everybody is having a good week and everybody is being kind to each other and kind to your parents and getting outside and enjoying the sunshine, even though we did have a little bit of rain recently. But rain is a very good thing because it keeps the grass green and it helps things grow and it just makes the planet a beautiful place to be. So let's be thankful for that rain. It's good for the farmers too, for our food to grow. So while you're getting that stuff, I will tell you my riddle or ask you my riddle. So I haven't memorized it yet, so I got to read it. While walking outside and singing and enjoying his time, suddenly it started to pour down on David. Although he had no shelter, no umbrella, his clothes got completely soaked. You know what though? David did not have a single hair on his head that got wet. How could that happen? I don't know. Think about it, and I'll tell you the answer at the end of this video. Okay, so I hope you gathered your things. We'll get started. First, you're going to want to make a rain cloud. You don't want your cloud to be too thick on there. You kind of just want a light layer of cloud. You know what? We'll do a light layer. We'll put our rain on, and then we'll put a bigger layer on top. I just want you guys to be able to see what happens. Okay, so get your shaving cream. We are going to put on a cloud. So I think I'm going to start with this big of a cloud for now. Covering some of the empty spots there. And I'm going to put some of my food coloring on now because I want it to be able to soak through. I want you to be able to see that. So next, you add some rain to your rain cloud. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Can you guys see that already happening? Oh, my shirt might be in the way. How do I let you see that? Do we have a white piece of paper? Aha, there we go. So now that it's happening, I'm going to make my rain cloud even bigger because I want to. Now look at that. You see the rain is coming down through the clouds. I wonder what will happen if I just put a bit more in there. Kind of in those spots that I missed. Can you see how cool that is? The rain is coming down. Look at that. And while you're seeing that happen, did you guys know that it rains also on other planets in our solar system? Except for it doesn't really rain like this. It rains other things like sulfuric acid or something like that. So like gases and stuff. And then I believe it's on Saturn that it rains diamonds. Maybe Jupiter. I don't know exactly. I'll have to look that up. But you really would not want to be caught in a rainstorm there, would you? Can you see how neat that looks, you guys? The rain coming through the clouds. Oh, I have a few facts here I can tell you. I'm not a scientist or an expert on rain or the weather, but I'll try to give you some fun facts. So, water comes down from the sky in many different forms. We have rain, and we talked about how on other planets they have like gases and some diamonds. Here comes down in rain, snow, hail, sleet, those kinds of things. It's just water coming from the sky. Something else really interesting that I learned is the highest amount of rainfall ever recorded in 24 hours is 18.2 centimeters or 71.9 inches. Now, if you have a tape measure, measure that out. I have one here. I don't think our camera view is big enough to be able to show you, but I'll try to give you a little bit. Okay, so from here to the top of the screen from the table is 23 inches. Now, if I keep going. I'm to my roof of my house, and I still need to go. Oh, there we go. 71 inches. So, it's about 5 feet. So, it's a lot of rain in 24 hours. It's about as tall as a person, or a little bit shorter than a regular adult. That's a lot of rain. And then, the most amount of rain to fall in a year, I believe it was 1,000 inches. So that's a lot. If you can find your tape measure, take it out and measure it, and then you'll be able to see how much rain came. Plants need rain in order to survive. All of our vegetation needs rain in order to survive. So it's a wonderful, wonderful thing. If you can see now all the rain pouring down in our jar, that's how it works. The rain comes down through the clouds, through liquids and waters collected. That's called precipitation. Oh my goodness. And then it comes down as rain. But your best bet is to look up how it works, how rain works, how it all works, and you'll get a better idea. I just kind of wanted to show you guys in this little cool science experiment what it's like. And it's raining out. It's raining blue. Pretty simple science experiment. Shouldn't take much. And it's really cool if you do it on your own because you really get an idea and see how it really looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh yeah, and I have to tell you the answer to my riddle. The answer is he was bald. That's why he didn't get any rain on his hair. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.